Hey baddie, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we're going to be taking you through a special holiday theme heels choreography. So in our studio, we hosted a Santa baddie sleigh, or baddie Santa sleigh, however you want to say it. So we wanted to also bring this routine to our online community. So this is going to be a really cute, sassy, sexy routine. We're doing 8 Days of Christmas by Destiny's Child. It's a throwback. It's giving 90s vibes, but it's giving all the feels. So put on your cute little Santa outfit, throw on a nice little red bodysuit or whatever, or a little Santa hat, whatever you got to do. Okay, get cute for yourself. Set the mood. Maybe, record this for your boo or show him later. And even if you don't have a boo, okay, you're dancing for yourself. Remember that. We're always dancing for ourselves. So this is going to be a partial chair routine. So you'll just need one chair. Make sure that it's stable. Make sure that you feel safe and definitely test it out. We're not going to be doing anything too crazy on it, but it will be a prop today. So go ahead, grab your chair, grab your heels, make sure your shoelaces are tied, tucked inside, and make sure you are fully warmed up and stretched. And let's get into it. Okay, baddie. So we're going to start this routine facing the back. I'm going to show you the first couple moves facing forward. Remember, this routine is mirrored, so we'll be going the exact same direction that I'm referring to and that I am going in the video. So our first move, we're going to be stepping out on that right leg to prep. Okay, so I'm just stepping on my right toe here. I'm turning my body slightly to the right, and then from here I'm going to turn around so that I can face the left side. So I'm turning here, I'm going straight down. Okay, so I'll end up that opposite direction. I'm down. Just to go right back up, I'm grazing the booty up. Okay, so let's do that one more time facing this direction, and then we'll flip it to the back. So this is going to be a 1, down 2, up 3, and 4. Yeah, let's try that to the back now. 5, 6, 7, we go prep, down, scoop. Nice. Okay, so from here, we came up, you're gonna step back on your right toe. I'm gonna place my right hand on my pelvis to then turn my body, put my hand on my pelvis, and then I'm gonna cross and cross, okay? So actually, when we're stepping back on that right leg, we're doing 2 pats. So this is a pat, 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 pat. So I open as I go to the shoulder. So let's go from that scoop. So we did scoop, 2, 3, 2, go up, pat, 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 pat. So once I open up to the front, I'm sitting in that left hip. And then now I'm gonna open as I start walking on my right and my left. So I'm just gonna take 2 long walks, okay? So make sure we really get over to that chair. So we just have those 2 walks to get to the chair, okay? So let's take it again from that scoop. So we did scoop to go up, pat, pat, hit, hit, open, and. Yeah? Okay, so from here, we are going to walk over to the chair. Okay, so we just opened here, we walked 1, 2, I'm gonna step, hit, hit, chin. Yeah, so hand, hand, chin, and make sure your posture is like upright, right? So I'm kind of like sticking out my booty a little bit as my hands come onto the chair. So I just did a hand, hand pat, and then my hips are gonna go left, around, right. Okay, so if you can't see me, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, my legs are straight, and I'm going all the way around. Okay, so again, just from, actually let's go from the top. So 5, 6, 7, we did 1, down, scoop to go up, pat, 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 walk, walk, hit, hit, chin, around 2, 3. Nice. From here, so you're going around 2, 3, and then I'm going to kick up that leg over the chair. So I'm going kick down. Okay, I'm on just the toe here. So try to keep that heel off of the chair if you can. So I'm really pointing through. So I'm going 1, 2, and then I'm gonna go 3. So my hand comes to my knee. I did 1, 2, and then 3, I look to the back. Back 4, I'm gonna just graze my knee. So I'm using that shoulder, yeah. So I went shoulder up. So I'm just feeling the knee. And then I'm gonna kick and then I'm gonna turn to the back. So I'm still keeping contact with the chair here. So directly to the back, I'll just show you what it looks like without so you can see my body. So once I'm here, I'm just gonna go down 1, 2. All right, so that's right hip and left hip. So right, left, yeah. From here, I'll keep this direction so you can see me. So I came down, I'm now gonna go into a pike. I'm going hands, toes. Yeah, so hands, toes. From here, I'm gonna come onto my left shin and I'm gonna graze around my head using my right hand. So I'm going 1, 2, 3. That's really slow and yummy to then kick that toe up and then onto the toe. Okay, so that's a slow 2, 3, 4, kick and toe. From here, I'm then going to turn. So when I turn, I'm kind of like in a ravel, right? So my legs are raveled a little bit. So my left is behind me. I'm gonna put down the right shin and then I'm gonna bring that leg around me to then come into this stance here. So the right leg is out straight, left leg is bent, coming up flat back here. Did we get that? Yeah, okay. All right, so let's try that again. All right, we'll go from the very top. 5, 6, 7, we did 1, down, scoop to go, dee, ta, ta, walk, walk, we go, hand, hand, chin, and round, 2, 3, and a kick, and a look, and down, up, kick, we go, down, down, hands, pike. Then this is a slow, remember you're on that left knee, and then I'm going a kick, toe to then go. It's kind of like a fan, but the toes don't come together. So I'm leading with that knee. Go over and a kick. Good, elbows nice and wide.